Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn what is Scala is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Scala? Scala stands for Scalable Language. It is a multi-paradigm programming language. Scala language includes features of functional programming and object-oriented programming. It is a statistically typed language. Its source code is compiled into bytecode and executed by Java Virtual Machine or JVM. Scala is object-oriented. Scala is an object-oriented language. In Scala, every value is an object. Scala execution. Scala uses Java Virtual Machine or JVM to execute bytecode. Its code is compiled into bytecode and executed by Java Virtual Machine. So you need only JVM to start development with it. Scala can also use in all Java classes and allows us to create our custom class. Why use Scala? It is designed to grow with the demands of each user, from writing small scripts to building a massive system for data processing. Scala is used for data processing, distributed computing, and web development. It powers data engineering infrastructure of many companies. Who use who uses Scala? Scala language is mostly used by software engineers and data engineers. You will see some data scientists using it with Apache Spark to process huge data. Okay, so what is the difference between Scala and Java? Nested functions, it allows us to define a function inside another function. Closures, a function whose return value depends on variables declared outside it of function. Every value is an object, every operation is a method call. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report, courtesy to us by mygreatlearning.com. Thank you so much for allowing us to use this content about Scala or Scalable Language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.